train. At least we got a really good spot this time. We are upstairs. You can see the train street really well. Yeah. So we got some beer. I'm so hungry. We actually skipped a lunch. We are waiting to have some dinner, but we want to see a train first, and then we will go for dinner later on. Train should arrive in few minutes, so finger crossed. So we are still waiting. No sign of the train.
As always.
As always, yeah. Rahat is kinda angry. We really want to see it. But we are going to wait for another 10-15 minutes and then we will go. There is no point to wait any longer.
There is no point any day, not just today.
Yeah, there is definitely a train. He is not really believe there is a train. His thing is not exist. I'm sure it exists, but yeah. It is what it is. So, we had a dinner and we are back in train street and trying to catch a train. It's a nightmare, but I really want to see it. So I actually read lots of articles about the train street, and it's actually one of the most popular attractions here in Hanoi. But because it's kind of danger, it's really narrow, as you can see later on in this video. Authorities trying to do something. They like try to don't want to say avoid tourists here, but they want to reduce tourists because not everybody follow the safety rules, etc. And if there is many tourists here, it's really dangerous for them and for locals as well. So yeah, they try to do something. They don't want to close it completely. Now it's kind of closed. So you can come here, but you need to find some local guide. You can come here with them, but it's still kind of illegal, or how should I say? Yeah, but they definitely don't want to close it completely, so you still can come here and see the train. But if you come here, please be really careful and follow the rules. Yes, enjoy. It was amazing. Yeah. I did it! The train is coming! Train is coming!
But I said it's 9 p.m. only. People say it's from
it's
6, 7, etc. All the vendors tell you
9 p.m. only.
9 p.m. only.
Yeah.
They just want to sell as much as possible, which is normal.
It's
nice experience.
They do that for a living, so we completely understand. But good tip for you, 9 o'clock, be here.